Etna or not? Maybe not.
She's super okay. Yesterday she gifted a show, a beautiful show.
Yes. Yes.
From Barone di Villagrande, we saw the lava flow.
Ah, okay.
In the
so
night.
We're lucky. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, the Etna is the highest active volcano that we have in Europe, 3,357 meters of high, according to the new eruption height exchange. And have a look on the left, at the level of the sea, over there. You see there is another village. This is the village of Giardini Naxos, the first Greek colony of Sicily, 8th century before Christ. Starting from the 4th century BC, the inhabitants of Giardini Naxos moved towards the hill of Taormina and settled here and created the village of Taormina. And have a look under us on the right. Just under us on the right, all this is the village of Taormina. More or less 10,000 inhabitants. We reached 10,000 inhabitants during the high season, where there are a lot of people that come here during the spring and the summer in order to work here in the hotel, in the bar, in the restaurant, and so on. And if you look over there on the right, on the top of that hill, you can just see there is always the village of Castelnola, the trees on the tops. So they go through the trees on the tops, this is the village.
As you can see, Mount Etna is very active.
Where on the right, there is what we name about the ancient medieval castle of Taormina. And on the left, the cross, the cross over there. Over there is the church of the Virgin Mary of the Rocks.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers! We are enjoying the visit of the Greek theater here in Taormina, the jewel of Sicily. And you can enjoy a wonderful view. Over there, Mount Etna and Giardini Naxos, the first Greek colonies. Gianca, as you can see, is recording a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, and let's come with me to discover the rest of the theater.
Look at the view, it's so amazing.
View.
One of the best views in the world.
If you want, you can see the rest of the beautiful theater. Ragazzi.
Sì, sì, certo, certo. Sì, sì, sì.
Okay, guys, a very important information for you. There are two reasons to visit the ancient theater of Taormina. The first reason is to view.
And yesterday, in this beautiful place, the famous singers Il Volo had a show right here in this beautiful
Rosella,
location.
don't give up. Come on.
This way or the other way?
I think it's the same.
Okay,
We can go this way.
this way.
Come on.
It's very crowded today.
Come this way, Rosella, come this way.
Sorry guys, our stabilizer, I think we need to change it because it's almost over, I think so.
He's dying
Yeah.
under the Sicilian sun.
Sorry.
Rosella, don't fall during a live broadcast.
I'm okay.
Oh,
Oh, let's enjoy
go.
this wonderful view. So imagine
Let's
enjoy
go the
a
other way.
show
The other way, Rosella.
in this beautiful location.
Come with me. This is the best. Or just a few steps forward. Rosella, come, come. So you can have in the same frame Mount Etna, the highest volcano in Europe, and the Bay of Naxos. I would like to remind that Naxos is the first Greek colony in Sicily. You know? 800 BC. 8th century BC. Oh, look, there is a bride. There is a wedding.
Over
you-
there.
You should zoom it. Can I?
Uh-huh. No.
Rosella.
There, it's there, Gianca. This is another thing, Gianca is there. Oh, they are kissing. And this is the other beautiful view. So that's why from here you can enjoy one of the most beautiful views, not only in Sicily, but I can say in Italy.
In the world. What Italy? In the world. By the way, Italy is over there.
Yeah.
So this is the lower part of the peninsula, Calabria.
I try to zoom. It's not very clear, but you can see the shape.
And where is that, Rosella? That.
Le Toianni.
Did you mention it?
Yes.
So Le Toianni. We can see Forza d'Agro. We can see Capo Sant'Alessio.
We went just in that direction to enjoy Savoca.
Yeah, we are coming from Savoca, the filming location of The Godfather by Francis Ford Coppola. Over there is the northmost point of Sicily, Messina, in the northeast. And over there, Italy, the mainland. Also, Sicily belongs to Italy, of course. This is a beautiful coastline full of sandy beaches till the end, till Messina.
Yeah, kilometers of sandy beach.
And the funniest thing is that they are not really crowded. Why are you doing this, Rosella? They are not really crowded because the most of people used to visit Taormina, to crowd Taormina, but they don't know that in 10 minutes they can enjoy a wonderful desert beach, like in Letojanni, in Forza d'Agro, in Santa Teresa Riva, in Furcisicolo.
Roccalumera,
È vero, Nerina, this is true. Furcisicolo has been awarded by the Bandiera Blu, so it means one of the best beaches in Sicily.
Yes.
And what else?
And of course, Taormina is included in our tours of Sicily. It's a must-see location.
Yeah,
You
this is one of the
miss-
highlights.
Yes, you cannot miss this beautiful location.
Stay there.
So, where?
I want to film you. Put in front of me. I want to film you.
And if you want to enjoy Sicily with us, you can visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com. You can choose a custom private tour for you and your family, or you can join the next edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour 2023, next May, June. So be ready to enjoy yourself to the fullest. Now, our Sicily Lovers family is waiting for us, and so
Let's take a look.
can have a look and you can record more videos.
No. Let's take a look of the theater for the last time. Chiedi permesso, per favore.
Scusate.
So that I can just figure.
Oh,
This
ok.
is something absolutely.
Mettiamoci un po' più giù così passano. So, can you switch now? Thank you, Rosella. No, you didn't. Okay.
Now, yes.
So, come this way. Okay. Sorry, guys, because I have my hand, the other hand is full. So I need Rosella's help.
Do you want to?
No.
No,
I do
it's
it
okay.
because I have a longer arm.
Of course.
So
More
guys-
than me, no doubt about this. Now we are the same
level.
but because I'm on a step.
The same 8. No. Out of the joke, I wanna confirm Rosella's words. This is a highlight in our Sicilian tours. It's a must-see location. We always recommend you. If you don't wanna join our tours, we can give you a couple of tips. So if you love the beach, you can stay in the area between Isola Bella and Mazzarò. Isola Bella, for those who don't know, is one of the most famous beaches in the world, just in front of our hotel.
We are very lucky.
The hotel we chose for our group.
And all our rooms face
the beautiful Isola Bella. Isola Bella in Italian means the beautiful island.
Yeah.
We have a beautiful isle, a small island, just in front of our hotel, with a very, very nice beach. Beach.
They taught us.
Our friends, Sicily Lovers, taught us the right pronunciation.
Yeah.
So not beach, but beach. And sorry, because our English is very bad. And the other option, if you would like to stay closer to the main activities, in particular the nightlife, the bars, the discos, the most excellent restaurants, you can stay in the old city center of Taormina, right where we are now. So Taormina stands. Rosella, help me, please, because the stabilizer
Yes.
doesn't work.
Yeah.
No, it's better
It's
you
over. Yeah.
do by hand.
It's too hot, Gianca, and the phone is just
Overwhelmed.
Well, overwhelming. I'm really sorry.
Not with
but
joy,
No,
but-
no. It's overwhelming. So we have to say bye-bye, Gianca.
Yeah,
It's-
just a tip. So Taormina by the sea is Isola Bella or Mazzarò. Taormina, the old city center for those who want to enjoy the nightlife and the tourist attractions in Taormina. But both locations are connected by a funicular, so you can take a cable car to reach one location in 5 minutes. So very easy to move. Doesn't care if you stay here in the old city center or on the beach. You can move and reach the other location very easily, and you can enjoy one of the best views because the cable car enables you to have a great view, just like this, or different because you see the other side of the view till the north.
Guys, we love you.
It's
We
time to
have
say
to
goodbye.
go. We have to go. Yes. So together.
Love,
Hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers, switch. And I want to close with the beautiful view over there. From Mount Etna, from the Greek theater here in Taormina is all. And see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao. Oh, over there, our wonderful family of Sicily lovers. Ciao, ciao.